Hello everyone, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry. As we discussed last class, important point about what aspirin. Aspirin is the most important in last video. Okay, they are going to ask you what is the structure of aspirin, what is the IPC name of aspirin. They are going to ask you in how you are going to prepare aspirin. What is the starting material? Starting material is salicylic acid that can react with what acid anhydride or a acetyl group. In the presence of H plus 2 form a aspirin plus release of what acetic acid CS3COH. That is important point. Okay, make it perfect. Today we are going to discuss okay, that will come under in what esterification. Okay, today we are going to discuss okay, the next part is what the reaction with what halogen acids. Okay, what I started in last class only, the cleavage of carbon oxygen I started. No, in that this is the first point. Okay, just here in this case a reaction with what halogen acids. Alcohol can be converted into what haloalkanes, very simple, haloalkanes by action of halogen acid. Just here in this case, what is the name of this one? The name of this one is what? Alcohol. The alcohol can react with what haloalkanes, HX. HX means what? X means what? Chlorine, bromine or fluorine, iodine, okay, etc. Okay, that is indicate what? HX. HX means HCl, HBr, HI. Usually they are not going to consider fluorine because of fluorine is a more electronegative element. Okay. And this alcohol is converted into what? This is haloalkanes. What you are going to call this is what? Alcohols can be converted into what? Haloalkane. RX is there. No, RX means R means what? CS3. X means what? Cl. CS3Cl. Chloromethane. The chloromethane is another name is what? Haloalkanes. That is general name. Okay, that is important. In this case, they are going to use HCl, HBr and HI. Very simple. In this case, which cleavage takes place? Obviously the carbon oxygen cleavage takes place. Okay, that is why in this case there is a formation of Rx, this is OH minus, this is H plus 2 for release of what? Water molecule. Okay. Next, after that in this case HCl, HBr, HI is there. Out of these three, which is a more reactive? The obviously what? HI. The HI is a more reactive than HBr. After that what? HCl. The next question, why HI is a more reactive? Because in this case iodine is having a larger in size. Iodine is having a larger in size, the hydrogen iodine distance is more, the iodine will go out easily, that is why the iodine is a good leaving group. Okay, that is why this is the important order. Next, after that, for a given halogen acid, the order of reactivity of alcohol, which alcohol is a more reactive? Obviously tertiary, the tertiary is a more reactive than secondary. After that what? Primary. After that what? CS3. Last class only I told that. Okay, important due to hyperconjugation effect. Okay, this is what basic some idea. Next, in this case the total, in this case in this video the important part is what? Lucas test is the most important. The Lucas reagent is different, the Lucas test is different. In this is going to ask you in 1 marks question for theory purpose. Okay, theory also what? Entrance exam, they are going to ask you what is Lucas reagent. The Lucas reagent means you have to write a definition, very simple. Concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 together called what? Lucas reagent. Most important, make it perfect. I repeat, there is a what? Concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 together or mixture of these two called what? Lucas reagent. Okay, bear in mind, Lucas test is different. Lucas test means just here, Lucas test is divided into what? 3 types. The one is what? Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, next one is what? Tertiary alcohol. Okay, 3 categories there in a Lucas test. This is most important. Just here in this case, primary means what? 1 degree. RCH2. Okay, this R is containing, means this carbon is containing what? 2 hydrogen, 1 what? R is there. Okay, that is why in this case this is the what? Primary. This can react with the concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. What is the role of ZnCl2? ZnCl2 is act as a dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent means what? Removal of water molecule only. In this case removal of water molecule takes place. There is a formation of product is what? RCH2 plus, means what? This is the most important part. This is the most, this is not a formation of product, this is a what? Intermediate product RCH2. After that in this case what happen? HCl is there, no, HCl is going to attack, the product is possible in this case what? RCH2Cl, like this. Okay, this is what? Alcohol is converted into what? Indirectly what? This is the haloalkanes only, haloalkanes, this is haloalkane only, our heading is there, no. Okay, the Lucas test will come under this category. Okay, that is why important. this is the product RCH2Cl, but this is most important, that's why in this case this is a secondary carbo, what a primary carbocation. Just here, is it reaction possible in a room temperature? No, not possible. In this case we have to maintain heat. All those points here is there. No reaction, this reaction is not possible, okay, at a room temperature, and hence no white cloudiness. Means white cloudiness means what? It is a look like a curd, okay, it is a look like a what? Curd, that is indicate what? White cloudiness, okay, that is important. They are going to ask you, means what, you know about that a curd color, okay, that is indicate what? White cloudiness. No reaction is possible, no white cloudiness is possible at a room temperature. Turbidity at a room temperature, okay, this is RT is indicate what? Room temperature. Next question, what is the meaning of this turbidity? Turbidity means what? Not clear, means it is not visible, okay, it is not visible, means what? It is a look like a what? Turbidity, as like a turbidity means what? Not clear only, it is look like as curd is not a turbidity, okay. You know very well about that PPT. PPT means what? That is a precipitation possible, no, that precipitation is not possible, that is white cloudiness in this case possible, but all these things happened what? In what? Room temperature, then only you are going to get this one. But if you are going to supply some amount of heat, okay, then only this reaction is possible, then only this reaction is possible. In that case we are going to get a what? White cloudiness, okay, after heating only. But if a normal is there, it is not possible. Every point is most important. No reaction is possible actually. No reaction possible means no white cloudiness. No white cloudiness, another name is what? Turbidity. Or if you want, you can write or. Everything you have to write what? Or like that. Okay. Turbidity at room temperature. This is the first one. The second one is what? In this case most important, secondary alcohol. In this case what? R2. In this case only 1 R. In this case 2 R. In this case what? 3 R. Important. Okay. Everything. R2CH, next one is what? OH. Don't think like this carbon containing what? Only one hydrogen, 2 bond. Here is 2 is there, no, that's why important. Here is 2, this is a 3, this one is indicate what? 4. Means what? That carbon containing what? 1, 2, 3. Okay, totally this carbon containing what? 4 bond. If you want, I write here structure that one. If you are confusing about, here is there, no, R2CH This structure means what? I use this one. Here R, C, here one R, here one H, OH. This structure both are same. Don't confuse, okay. That's why this is important. In this case what happens? This is containing what? 2 CH3 groups. That's why they called as secondary alcohol. Otherwise the carbon containing only one hydrogen. Okay, in this case what? There is a formation of product is what? R2CH plus. R2CH plus, this is indicate what? Secondary carbocation. If you want, you can write a product, no problem. Here is what? R2 is there. Next after that what? In this case CH. In this case what happens? This is a Cl2. Possible, no? Carbon containing 1, this is a 2, 3, next this is a 4. Only one Cl will come, okay. R2CHCl. Okay, this is important. In this case what? White cloudiness is possible. In this case what? Reaction is possible, then only white cloudiness is possible. Turbidity appears within about 5 minutes. If you are going to take alcohol, after that you are going to add a constant HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. Anhydrous ZnCl2 is act as a dehydrating agent. After 5 minutes you are going to get a turbidity. After 5 minutes you are going to get a PPT. Turbidity means what? PPT. That's why I am using word is not clear. Turbidity means what? Not clear. Means or not clear means what? PPT or precipitation. This reaction is possible after 5 minutes. This word is important. Okay, turbidity appears in about after 5 minutes. Okay, if you want write in a short, if the sentence is not difficult, easy. Turbidity appears after 5 minutes. You have to write, no problem. Okay. The next one is what? Tertiary alcohol is there. Just here in this case, how many R groups are there? 3 R groups. After that is carbon OH is there. Next constant HCl. Next one is what? Anhydrous ZnCl2. Okay friends, after that there is a formation of product is what? This is a tertiary carbocation. I am going to, if you want, I am going to write product R, C, this is what? Cl. Here is there. What is the structure of this one? If you want, here is carbon containing how many R? 1, 2, 3, 1 is what? Cl. Carbon is having satisfied. Okay, is it clear? Okay, this is the product. This is what I wrote. This is the important part. Okay, in every reaction, this one is, all these are indirectly we called what? Intermediate. Okay, this is most important. This is a primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, tertiary carbocation. But out of these three, I told you that order, stability of order is the most important now, which is in alcohol. Which alcohol is having a more reactivity? Obviously what? Tertiary. Just here, white cloudiness, turbidity appears immediately. This is important. Why you are going to get immediately? Because of what? Tertiary. Because of what? Tertiary carbocation is a more stable. This is immediately, this is after 5 minutes. Okay, this is what? On heating, we have to supply some amount of energy, then only we are going to get this one. That is why what is the order of this one means I am going to write one more time. Tertiary is greater than secondary, after that what? Primary. Here is there no tertiary, immediately reaction is possible. This is after 5 minutes, this one. After this is important, you have to take a screenshot. Okay, the next two reactions are there. Okay, I will write, I will think I will discuss next class or here only, or next one more point is there, you have to take screenshot. Okay. Okay friends, the next reaction, this is the second one. The first one is what? Reaction with what? Halogen, means what? Reaction with what? That is HCl, HBr, HI completed. Okay, that is what? Reaction with haloalkanes. So the second one is reaction with what? Phosphorus halides. The third one is what? Reaction with thionyl chloride. All these reaction almost covered in what? Haloalkanes, halorine only. Okay, just here in this case starting material is what? Alcohol only, ROH. After that this can react with what? PCl, phosphorus pentachloride. What is the oxidation state of phosphorus? +5. Next after that what? There is formation of what? Haloalkane. Alcohol is converted into haloalkane cleavage. Which cleavage takes place? Carbon oxygen cleavage only. After that there is a phosphorus oxytrichloride. What is the name of this one? Phosphorus oxytrichloride plus release of what? HCl. This is the first one. The second one is what? This is bromination is there, means what? In this case they are going to add what? PBr3. Alcohol can react with the PBr3, phosphorus tribromide. After that in this case they are going to add a P bar Br3, both are same only. There is a formation of what? This is the bromo, what you are going to call, that is the haloalkanes, this is the bromoalkanes. Okay, in this case plus release of what? S3PO3. Okay, S3PO3. In this case what is the oxidation state? In this case if I think all these things covered in what? Haloalkanes, halorine only. Okay, orthophosphoric acid. Okay, next after that what? Orthophosphorus acid. This is okay. If you want you can write oxidation state. No, S3 means just here if S3PO4 is there, orthophosphoric, this is phosphorus. Okay, why this is a phosphorus means I don't know what is the oxidation state of phosphorus. Hydrogen oxidation state is a 3 into 1 3. After that I am going to write a plus. What is the general oxidation state of oxygen? 2, 3 2s are 6 equal to 0. X equal to what? In this case +3. I am going to get a what? +3. But in this case what? I think phosphorus 3 plus X 8 equal to 0. Oxidation state is in this case what? +5. Okay, in this case what? +5. That is why they called as a orthophosphoric. This is what? Phosphorus. Okay, is it clear? That is why in this case what? Orthophosphorus acid. Next reaction is what? In this case these 3's indicate what? Just balancing the reaction, because in this case they are going to use what? PBr3. This can react with the Pi3 in the presence of P bar I2. After that there is a formation of iodoalkane, that is bromoalkane, chloroalkane. This is one is iodoalkane plus release of what? S3PO3, that is called orthophosphorus acid. Okay, such kind of reactions most important. Okay, they are going to ask you in examination sometime. Okay, make it perfect, easy. Next reaction with thionyl chloride. In haloalkane, halorine is there, no, that is most important. Okay, alcohol can react with the thionyl chloride. Thio means what? Sulfur. Thio means what? Sulfur. Thionyl chloride. Bear in mind important point. Thio means sulfur. Azo means what? What you are going to call? Azo means nitrogen. Okay, that is important. Next after that in this case obviously this cleavage only takes place. Carbon oxygen cleavage to form a haloalkanes plus release of SO3 and HCl. These two are gases. That is why this reaction is most important in the presence of what they are going to add? Pyridine only. What is the role of pyridine? Pyridine neutralize HCl. Pyridine neutralize HCl. I think last video told this one. Okay, this point. Okay, why they are going to use a pyridine? Pyridine is act as a base. Okay. Up to this what? Some of the reaction completed. cleavage of what? Carbon, oxygen. The next one is there, that is most important reaction, dehydration of alcohol. That point we will study next video. Thank you friends.